Yeah, finger chuck. Okay. I'm just having a facial. Yeah.
Nice.
Alright. Here, I have some money in the pocket. Wait. Can you just put a little bit of that right here? Just can you spread a little bit of that? Right. Just take the spoon.
Take the spoon.
Yeah, and just put it on my chin. I need to put it on my chin. Just a little bit. Just dab it right there. Yeah. Oh yes. That feels so good. Okay, that's good.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay.